to take him. And
Fishing
remember,
for
at the
bikes.
24th pick of the draft, he didn't get the big money like Alex Smith did with that first pick. Yet in 2008, they gave him a contract extension through 2014, a $65 million deal over 6 years. If he wins this Super Bowl, you watch, the Packers will be proactive, and a year from now, they'll put him up there with a Ben Roethlisberger around $100 million, or who knows, maybe even up there with the Peyton Manning and Tom Brady as well.
Ben Roethlisberger is close to winning his third Super Bowl, and it nearly didn't happen. And the week before the draft, the Pittsburgh Steelers gave serious thought to dealing Roethlisberger, found an interested team. The other team was interested in making the trade until the owner stepped in and put a kibosh on the trade before it could have went through. A lot of people think the Steelers were just trying to send a message to Ben Roethlisberger. They were, but boom, they also were ready to deal him at one point last April.
It's interesting how the fates can change so quickly, or don't change in this case. Thank you, Mort. Thank you, Adam. So let's talk about Ben's saga first, because it's certainly been much talk.